Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Street View on Google Maps. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my computer, and first of all, we can open up the Google Maps. We can open it from the website or from the app. On the mobile phone, you can open it from the Google Maps app. Okay, and then you can find a place on the Google Map. And for example, I'm going to view the street view of this place. We can click on the place, and just remember guys that not all the place has Google Street View, so you need to check it first. Let's try this one. Oops, there's no street view. This one, there's no street view as well. Okay, this place has street view, and then to view it, just click on street view, and then the map will be opened in the street view mode like this, and you can look around. Okay, if you want to close it, just go back. And on the mobile phone, you can tap and hold on the place that you want to open the street view. Just tap and hold, and then the place will be selected. Okay, I'm going to open it right here. Let's try. It doesn't have street view. Okay, this one. Okay, this one has street view. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use street view on Google Maps. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.